front of me is ZTE Blade A55, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one and set up an hour. When you finished, click on one of those options: once, weekdays, or custom. If you selected custom, pick days of the week and choose save. Then hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat, or turn it off or on thanks to this switcher. Go back, choose alarm tone and pick one of those. Hit OK, or hit alarm tone, select music, click on any song from your device and tap on OK to set it up. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback and tap on label. Now you need to label your alarm however you want to and hit OK. Finally, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. To edit it, click on it, make some changes and click on the check mark. To delete it, hold it, click on delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!